I wonder how many of you are living your true life purposes. Or are you not quite sure? My name is Michiyo Ambrosius. I'm so happy to be in touch with you through these pages and recordings. Let's talk about living our lives by following our inner voices that guide us to the path that is meant for us to travel. When we are on this path, we know we are on the right track, no matter how difficult it may be. I believe that the universe provides each of us with unique opportunities in life so that we can actualize our full potential as wholesome individuals. To live according to our soul's design is an awesome responsibility. Not everyone is courageous enough to follow their own path. How do we know if we are living the life in alignment with our true self? I invite you to take a moment and to drop into the stillness within. Take your time to connect with your inner being and listen. Listen. Listen to your inner voice. What is it telling you? Is your voice excited, expansive, full of hopes and dreams? Then I hope you'll follow your inner voice that wants you to grow, discover, and achieve your highest possible potential. Or you may feel lost, confused, and dissatisfied with your life circumstances. You may feel you're not living the life suited for you. I also have lived in such conditions from time to time. Certainly at the time I was living in Japan, I felt I was not living the way I was supposed to live my life. These feelings are indications of not living the life we could be living according to our soul's nature. I suggest you continue to read my story and listen to my audio recordings. You may encounter some ideas that will resonate with your innermost being. I hope my stories inspires you, encourages you, and cheers you on.